If you need to export files from OneDrive, this quick tutorial will show you the simplest way to download your files or folders to your computer in just a few clicks. Whether you want to back up important documents, move files to another device, or keep a local copy for offline access, this method is fast, easy, and beginner-friendly. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can go directly to OneDrive and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're inside your account, you'll want to head over to My Files. This is where all of your uploaded documents, folders, photos, and other content are stored. Take a moment here to locate the exact file or folder that you want to export. Now, if you only need one file, just click to select it. If you want to export more than one item, you can select multiple files at once. And if you're exporting an entire folder, select the folder itself. OneDrive makes this pretty simple, but it's important to choose the correct item before downloading so you don't export the wrong content. Once your file or folder is selected, look at the top of the page and click the download button. This tells OneDrive to begin preparing your file for export. If you selected a single file, it may download immediately. If you selected multiple files or an entire folder, OneDrive may package everything into a zipped file first. That is completely normal, especially when downloading large selections. After you click download, your browser may ask where you want to save the file. If that happens, choose a location on your computer that's easy to remember, like your downloads folder, desktop, or a specific folder for work files. Then confirm the save location and let the download begin. Now just wait for the download to complete. The amount of time this takes will depend on the size of the file, the number of items you selected, and your internet speed. Smaller files will usually finish very quickly, while larger folders can take a bit longer. If you're downloading a folder or several files, keep an eye out for a compressed zip file once the export is finished. If OneDrive creates a zip file, you'll need to extract it on your computer to access the contents inside. On Windows, you can usually right-click the zip file and choose Extract All. On a Mac, you can often just double-click the zip file to unzip it automatically. After extracting it, you'll see your original files and folders ready to use, and that's it. Your OneDrive file has now been exported to your PC. This is the easiest way to create a local copy of your cloud files, and it's especially useful when you want to back things up or transfer them somewhere else. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more how-to videos, and I'll see you in the next one.